Hi everyone, today I want to share with you my very first design team project for Marchena Design. I was really happy to be able to create with this beautiful kit. It's the February inspirational kit and it's Valentine's Day themed. I will post the link to Marchena Design, her YouTube channel, as well as her Instagram account in the description box below. And if you send her a private message, you can also order one of these kits for yourself. I think it's a really nice complete kit and you don't need anything else to create really nice projects. So I do have an unboxing video of this beautiful kit and I will post the link to that video in the description box below as well, so you can see for yourself what kind of goodies and items are in this beautiful kit. So let me take it a little bit closer. I created this tag pocket, and for this one I used a die from AliExpress, and it cuts out this beautiful large tag and also this pocket. And what I really like about it is that it's quite expandable, so you can stuff a lot of things inside the pocket. And the paper line that is used for this kit is by Simple Stories. It's called My Valentine and I absolutely love the colors. All the things that I used to create this project are from the kit. I didn't use anything from my own stash. So here are some beautiful stickers from the kit, as well as some die cuts. And here's the handmade rose that's included in the kit as well. And behind there is an applique, and I also adhered some sequins, and those are from the sequin mix that Nadezhda created to go inside the kit, and I absolutely love the colors. They match the paper line really nicely. So I also used this beautiful lace and gold leaf trim from the kit, and here's another die cut. And when she wrapped the kit, she used this clothespin as an embellishment on one of the packages, and I really thought it was nice to use it to hold this in place, as well as a beautiful embellishment. So inside the pocket there's a card that I created. It's this one right here, and I used some papers from the collection and some more sequins and some die cuts. I used a journaling card from the collection and I punched it along the edge with my Martha Stewart punch. It's this one right here, sorry for the glare. And for this rose I used some stickles, and the ones that I used, or the one that I use, is this one, the Stardust. They are my favorite. And here's another handmade rose from the kit with another applique behind it, and I also used this organza trim that she included in the kit to wrap some goodies as well. And I didn't write anything inside yet. And in the pocket is also a gift. It's like a die set that I purchased at a local store. Carmen gifted me one as well a while ago, and I absolutely love this die set. At that time I didn't have another one, but I found it in our local store, and then I thought I will purchase one to give it as a present as well. And I already used this one for a journal. Thank you so much, Carmen. So I just took a piece of white cardstock and then I went along the edges with the same Martha Stewart punch that I showed you. The fabric behind here is also from the kit, as well as this banner that I created. I absolutely love it, and I used some baker's twine that was included in the kit as well. So it's a really nice way to give someone something and let them know that you're thinking about them. So I already have an idea for my second project, and I'm going to start on it this weekend. I really had a lot of fun creating. I hope you like my project, and I hope you will stay tuned for my second design team project. I want to thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.